Hi everyone! Today we will show you how to fix the issue when some colors are not printing. When this problem occurs, you may notice that after clicking check, the nozzle check pattern shows no lines in certain color channels. If the nozzle check only shows minor missing lines, you can first try printing a design to test the output. Next, check whether there is enough ink in the ink bottles. In many cases, the problem may come from a clogged ink sac or restricted ink flow in a single channel. You can try swiping the ink sac off the affected color with one that is printing normally. After swiping, run the nozzle check again. If the missing color returns to normal, it indicates that the original sac was clogged, and it should be replaced with a new one. For detailed instructions, you can refer to the ink sac replacement tutorial video. If the nozzle check pattern is still abnormal after replacing the ink sac, the problem may be a clogged print head channel, and we recommend contacting customer support for further assistance.